Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix we restrict certain activity to product or community on Instagram. So how to fix it? Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, give this screenshot, and after that go back your home screen and open your Instagram. After that type on profile icon and type this three line and type on settings and type on help and type on report a problem. You as can see show two option. You have select report a problem without checking. After that type on gallery and select your screenshot and put this your problem. Hello Instagram team, I am facing the error as per shown screenshot. Please fix my problem as soon as possible. We will be grateful to you. Thanks. After that, Instagram team 24 hours connect your Gmail and phone number. I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.